The Mercedes-Benz GLE class is a mid-size luxury SUV manufactured by the German automaker Mercedes-Benz. It was first introduced back in April 2015 at the New York International Auto Show. The newly adopted GLE class was built to replace the formerly well-known ML class, and better yet, it comes in two different flavors. The standard SUV style GLE, which is a newly refreshed mid-cycle of the ML class, and the newly designed GLE Coupe, which offer a bold and aggressive body styling that will be a direct competitor to the BMW X6. Now, the one I have here today is of course the new 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 AMG Coupe, dressed beautifully in polar white. The entire GLE class lineup comes with a brand new front fascia, which is sportier than the previous ML class. It is very sleek and attractive from every angle, not to mention the powerful engine under the hood. It delivers 362 horsepower and 382 pound-feet of torque, which make it a lot faster than the previous ML class. And if that is not enough power for you, there's a more powerful version, which is the GLE 63 AMG that delivers 577 horsepower. So you do have plenty of choices to pick from. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the pair of active full LED headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lamp. The active full LED headlamps in the GLE 450 also feature active curved illumination and adaptive high beam assist, which continuously vary the beam pattern of the multiple LEDs in each headlamp to help maximize the illumination of corners and straightaway without creating glare for other drivers. And here's a closer look at the grille. The front camera is also located under the Mercedes-Benz logo. Very aggressive front ends. Air vents are also located on the hood, one on each side for air to pass through. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke alloy wheels with shimmering silver faces that are set off by gloss black inlaid with 275/45 Continental tires. Behind the wheel is the set of cross-drill brake discs with silver painted brake caliper with Mercedes-Benz lettering on it. AMG badge on each fender. Gloss black side view mirrors with integrated LED turn signal indicator. Side camera are also integrated into the side view mirror. And there's the brushed aluminum running boards to ease your entry and exit. It is an optional feature. On top is the large panorama sunroof that can be tilted or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 21 inches and it is staggered in width with 315/40 all-season tires. It also comes with adaptive braking technology, anti-lock braking system, as well as brake assist. Tire monitoring system are also equipped on all 4 tires. To the back, you see the full LED tail light with integrated LED brake light and LED turn signal light. Very stylish tail light. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with chrome accent strip running across the bottom portion that frame the dual chrome tip exhaust. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. And there's the rear deck spoiler with chrome strip that runs across the trunk lid. Rear view camera is located behind the Mercedes-Benz logo, and it will retract once the vehicle is in reverse. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the panic, lock, Mercedes-Benz logo, unlock, and trunk release. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock. And as you can see, side view mirror will automatically fold once the vehicle is locked. And just place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. And as you can see again, the side view mirror will automatically unfold. The exterior color is known as Polar White, featuring ginger beige and black MB text interior with premium wood trims and silver aluminum trims throughout. Looks very classy and elegant. Now let's jump into the vehicle, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's put the vehicle in sport mode and we'll see how it sounds. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 GOE 450 have to offer. Under the hood is a 3-liter bi-turbo V6 engine with direct fuel injection, 9-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system with Eco Start and Stop system, as well as dynamic select controller, pushing out 362 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in about 5.6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 17 city, 23 highway, and 20 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with beige in the middle and premium wood trims. 3-position memory seating, multi-seat adjustment, door lock and unlock, Harman Kardon surround sound speaker, side view mirror control. It does feature folded option. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And here's the trunk release button, door storage compartment, Mercedes-Benz illuminated door sill, and there's the aluminum pedals. And a closer look at the seat. It is perforated and does offer heated option. Both front seats feature 14-way power sport front seats with memory and 4-way power lumbar support. A memory system for each front seat recall 3-star position with 1 touch of a button. The driver seat memory also includes power steering column as well as side mirror positions. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather with perforated side grip. Looks and feel very nice. It also comes with silver accenting trims in the middle, featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent used function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. To the left you have the windshield wiper control and the turn signal light control. To the right you have the gearbox lever. Just push it up for reversed. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will appear on the multimedia screen, and as you can see you have the over the top camera and the rear back camera. Slightly down for neutral and down again for drive, and that's when you can use the paddle shifter to change gear. And press the P for park. Very easy to use. And here is a closer look at the instrument cluster. Over to the left you have the driver side air vent with beautiful wood trims and aluminum trims. Behind the steering wheel you have the cruise control. Steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. And there's the light control as well as the rear fog light. Below you have the hand parking brake. And a closer look at the dash. Now the GLE 450 AMG also comes upgraded with the Harman Kardon surround sound system that's specifically engineered for the GLE. This premium digital sound system fills the cabin with 830 watts of beautifully balanced audio. And as you can see, the GLE class has a very spacious and open feeling cabin. Okay, now looking at the center stack, you see the large multimedia screen with beautiful gloss black trims and aluminum trims in metal. In the center you have the multimedia control with telephone keypad on the right, on and off, and volume control in the middle, and different sources on the left, as well as the telephone button, SD card, heated seats button, traction on and off, emergency hazard light, eco start and stop, parking sensor on and off. Down here you have the full climate controlled storage compartment, ashtray and cigarette lighter, dual cup holder for the front passenger, Okay, now looking at the center console, you have your suspension setting. And here you have your different driving mode. You can just turn the knob around to move around. Looks like you have the slippery mode for wet condition, comfort, sport, sport plus, as well as the individual mode where you can set different settings for each driver. And here's the command system with touchpad controller, which feature an 8-inch freestanding screen, vividly present audio, optional navigation, and other feature while keeping a sleek dash profile. Now you can just use your finger to swipe onto the touchpad controller to move around screen, or you can also press it down to select. And also you can use the alternative round knob. You can turn it around to move around screen. You can also press it down to select. And as you can see, the system is very responsive. Here you have the center storage compartment. Look like you have 2 USB plugged. Again, beautiful wood trims on the dash. And there you have this glove box compartment. And another look at these front seats. Very nice upholstery material, as you can see. Alright, on top look like you have the light controlled. That's the light for the rear. And you also have the one touch button for the sunshade, as well as the one touch button for tilt and slide open panorama sunroof. a very nice feature to have. Now I'm gonna go outside and show you how it looks from the outside. So that is how it looks. There you also have the sunglasses holder and the SOS system to use in case of an emergency. Rear view mirror with 3-button universal garage door opener. Okay, here's a look at the rear seat. Look like rear seat offers seating for 3. Looks like it does offer plenty of leg room. And here's the rear driver's side door panel. It also have beautiful wood trims, automatic window, door storage compartment, aluminum door sill. Now let's jump into the back seat and see how it feels in the back. But let me show you the look to the front cabin first. Very elegant looking cabins. And here's a look to the top. Rear passenger can also enjoy the large panorama sunroof. Alright, I'm 5'8" and this is how much legroom I have left. So pretty spacious and plenty of legroom in the back. There you have the seat pocket. Down here you have dual side air vent for rear passengers, storage compartment, as well as a 12-volt power plug. Alright, here's a look to the top. You have your light and a hook to hang your clothes, one on each side. Here you have the center armrest with 2 cup holders. Overall, I'm very pleased and comfortable in the back. And here's a look to the rear trunk. Alright, now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk in the GOE 450 have to offer. So the trunk in the GOE 450 offers 23 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row seat. And it does feature 60-40 split folded option. On the side you have more storage compartment. There you have your first aid kit. And let's see what we have down here. Like you have your spare tires and your tool. And there is another 12-volt power plug for the back. Alright, so you can fold down the seat, rear seat into 60 or 40 split. And this is how it looks with one side folded down. So with the second row seat folded down, you get 60.7 cubic feet of cargo space. That is plenty of space for your cargo needs. One touch close button. Gas cap is located on the passenger side. Just push it in to unlock to open. And it does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 24 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2016 GOE 450 is a mid-size luxury SUV with seating for 5 passengers. Second row seat is very spacious and can fit almost any size adult comfortably. The front cabins are also very spacious. It offers a very generous amount of space for anyone to be really comfortable, even on a long road trip. Not to mention the great leather upholstery material that will add more comfort to your body. It also featured premium wood trims and aluminum trims throughout the cabin. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. So as you can see, that is how much legroom I have, and I'm very comfortable sitting in the front. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2016 GLE 450 video. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review. I'll see you guys next time.